Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door latch in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the front vent. You can use a putty knife to help pry off the vent. With the vent removed, you can lift off the door. Set the door down on a towel or blanket. Use a putty knife to help detach the inner door trim. Unthread the 4 screws securing the inner door assembly. You can use a large flathead screwdriver to help separate the inner door assembly from the outer door panel. Use needle nose pliers to remove the door latch spring. Now slide the old door latch up to remove. Install the new door latch by inserting the latch tabs into the slots in the inner door assembly. Reinstall the spring. Realign the inner door assembly with the outer door panel and snap it into position. Rethread the screws. Align and snap the trim into place. Reinstall the door assembly by inserting the hinge pins into the holes in the hinges. Reinstall the front vent by aligning the top edge first, then press the bottom edge into place. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.